Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is just a traditional clean with me video. We are washing bed sheets. Austin actually on this day had a bloody nose. This is in the middle of the week, so I typically wash all the sheets on Sundays, but he had a bloody nose and stained a bunch of his sheets and his blanket, so I was getting that all taken care of. We have tidying up the kids' rooms, we have laundry, we have cleaning the kitchen, cleaning the appliances, just all of the everyday clean with me. But I figured I would just play some fun music because I'm not doing anything out of the ordinary, just general housekeeping and cleaning, making the bed, doing laundry, cleaning the kids' rooms, and cleaning the kitchen. So all the normal mom stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have not yet subscribed, or if you are new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing. I do lots of cleaning, organizing, and motherhood content. So without further ado, let's get started.
Club will go all night. I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music, energies like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. To go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us, it's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us, it's all about us. There's some magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Touching me around my neck, got chills down my back. You do it right, the way you're holding me. No, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it, so come with me. Maybe we're meant to be a perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. To go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us, it's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us, it's all about us. There's some magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I can't. We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. forget we will always share a bond no matter what. 'Cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. If you stay, if you stay, if you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay till the sun goes up, yeah. For a little moment, just hold me closer. I'll be okay till the sun goes up, yeah. For a little moment, just hold me closer. I'll be okay. We watch the sun go down over the same old town. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay, if you stay, oh, if you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you. All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. Be with you. Be with you. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now.
All right, so I am just about done with everything on my list. I still have to mop, and I do want to tidy downstairs a little bit. Leighton got like Valentine's, like it's almost like a scratch ticket, and there's like little scratchy pieces everywhere all over the play table, but I'm still not even started on that project. I know I've been talking about it for months, you guys, but I don't know. I don't know what I want to do down there. But anyway, on to today's video. I am just about done. I need to mop, but the kids will be home in like 5 minutes, so I'm not gonna start mopping now because they're gonna come in and drag all their stuff in. So Austin has a haircut, and we also have to pick up a quick Target order. I just needed a few things, so I am gonna pick that up after we're done, and then we're going out on a family date night. So I will mop, but at some point. So if I remember to film it when we get back, and I also did clean the bathroom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe. I do tons of cleaning, organizing, and motherhood content. I love watching those kind of videos. If there's other kind of videos you guys want to see, you have questions about something, feel free to leave it down below. I would love to do that for you. I know I just filmed a video about like how I do my budgeting because I got so many questions about that. So if you have any more questions regarding that kind of stuff, I'd be happy to answer it. Do a part 2. Anything you want to see, I'm happy to do. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.